sa suban na wo ka no obi di nsem we say man who so di nsem hu yeah me ka say sa no tie na we di for them. What are we talking about? I'm surprised. Then I came. Obi atinase abonitimu po or connive deliberately to attack you, your family, and other people. And you sit here and you say, "Son or nipaneti or become your who and who better." Let me finish. So what is your problem? I'm not talking about the chopper. I'm talking about the fact that we will not sit in this country and entertain nonsense in this country. Let me finish.
Yes, I know. I know a person says, "Me and so no, but no. We need to be anything. The man has been like that for the past 15-20 years. It is not. It's a fact. It's what the bayo action episode taking. No, we take it.
Say, oh, a quantum, oh, a broochery. Na opese o sendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana. And I say opese o sendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Therefore, my main come for Lemfi amount. The entire make come for Lemfi amount nyina ne say. O pay money transfer o more exchange rate e was soro kese pa e Lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And wo UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so say wa America na opese o shipping nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, any Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra so no mu gina waboboa no omba be box no man kama na omo dia call Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni December akọ e kan ne say o fro ma ka kire say enam TheBonahShow so na o te omo nka omo so mprempren na omo beche 10% discount. Nia chat woni say o call Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia dam wasomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia dam wasomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.
Asama na me pese me kana mitie ade asofo nkuchacha kana sofo me sre wani me kasakaka na sede wo ka sede aziga kana nti ase a me
se me ne nya adwen
me ti ase sa
eno so do won right
me so me ne wo nya adwen
okay
and you to me kasa se me kasa ba kasa na ye ka say Shatta de obetumi edidi watema ye dede wo social media oh empress me patchoma me kasa
ma me correct
sana osofo kan ye. That's what he said. In patron yes and
this is Shatta who obetumi aye bibia
also to me ye bibia all like who are not that form maybe that's exactly what I'm saying. Na sa suban na wo ka no obi di nsem hu we say man who so di nsem hu yeah me ka say sa no tie na we di for them. What are we talking about? I'm surprised. Then I came see empress
dia wan na
me kasaba o de obetima se abrabo na ye bon you were mistake and you were deliberate calculated mistake and ye pe empress obetina se na jimu po and I not call kakam. I don't want to go deeper because as some many enya want to me be boss me sure say phone
Go ahead, don't mention.
obetina se abonitimu po or connive deliberately to attack you, your family, and other people. And you sit here and you say, "Son or nipaneti or become your who and who better." Let me finish. So what is your problem? I'm not talking about the chopper. I'm talking about the fact that we will not sit in this country and entertain nonsense in this country. Let me finish. I am not.
Eya chopper no de buy ya na say den no de buy
also for me ma chopper
that be me be so
oh let me finish
let na what de buy no question na me be say Emmanuel eya chopper no de buy ya
let me finish and then I will you your ano let me finish. Empress, wone wo ba e wo fie na wo tete wo ba na unim sa akola yi. Bua pa yo pa no de ya be oh we sa no tie ja no. Akola be den. What are we sitting here talking about? One person sit on social media and accuse somebody, make suggestions in a negative way, accusing somebody of something that you don't have any evidence to prove. One of the biggest problems we have in this country is defaming people. Empress, you have been a victim recently. Yeah. ARNOLD has been a victim. Yeah. I have been a victim. Yeah. Bo has been a victim. How do we sit here and then we say that Obi the young the over social media who want to have a patch? Nonsense. It is the same guy that stood on social media and insulted President Mahama. Lawrence Tete. You sat on social media. In fact, I'll go back. I won't even read the content. You wrote something accusing and suggesting this man of knowing about something he knows nothing about. You claim he told you. Why interject? I'll come to the apology bit. You accuse this man of something he knows nothing about. You didn't think about the fact of the pain that the wife and the children will go through, the bullying that the children will go through, the pain that Felix family is going through, an unresolved case. You didn't think about that. You wrote something, and so while you did the video, calling on Kwakesi, who has not even healed from the pain, and told him to wake up, and that this gentleman, he knows something about what is going on. Kwakesi also took to social media and did a video because he was his bosom friend and manager. Yeah. He knows how much the guy has contributed in his life. Yeah. And you know, so Obi suggested say, will be a minimum doing commercial as the guy can say, who can say only a see and you see apostrophes, you so as the catch us away. Now when you pass about the can be about Obi. Suggested say why you be accepted. When say we need proof be I would prove ya. Then we sit here and say we be yes about social media no what patch. Because if you indeed you had proof and if indeed this gentleman did what you are suggesting that he did, then you are an accomplice. Because you sat down for years. That's if
formula.
Oh, Empress, it's in a make catch or say if somebody sits down. Me, I live by two principles. And they're very simple. Obiya me bonia. Ye ni na ye ni pay ye fum ye ho ye ho. Obiya me bonia ye de check. But when I realized that you planned, you plotted, it was deliberate to hurt me. It is not it is not forgive and forget. It is remember and revenge.
Now, Kasa,
mommy, mommy, when we Kasa
but all Kasa no be and wait.
Sorry, okay, sorry. Wait. When we sit in this country and then as the guy can no Kasa to me body. This same person has defamed a lot of people.
Don't mention names.
Insulted a lot of people. Out of what? Some of these insults, these people didn't even know about. These people are people that have helped you before. How do we sit here and we encourage such behavior? Shall the cost to social media? How do we sit here and say, "Sano, but who said I'm here? Me make us a me bodama, and your Muslim family say, Obia bodam. Obia bodam no level. Nyan kwa na bodam na obe popo. You see, and what baffles me here is that then I make an nipa de ye wonu but ubet na ona o kika nsem efo nipa ho then you come and apologize ube fry him for ahemfo no mo ba no ebi mo ba no ye de car ba and you are a good person
we dey enko apology
ebi mo ba no omo de cars omo de sika eba be pacho we will go there, Empress. Then when you finish, Empress, let me finish please. Then when you finish, you sit on another radio station and you rubbish the guy.
Buya who can answer. Oh,
yeah, you send me can. Why? I talk for blue. I do.
I want 70 yake.
I want 70 yake.
I want 70 yake. I miss what you are doing. Etching blue. One in your ding channel, but no. Atena say I will say. Nipa what can be say. Once a book can be say yakora yam frama. Adia bachi kwara say ni say it was in ni
asana nana e kan me tena say na way because the oka say I say obi to me tena say na oboni tirim I said I saw like opese or sell me the oka me ma film sa but I think 2 weeks ago say 3 weeks now we need Ghana crowd me ni kro yi mu but obabesia to me tena say yetua ne ka e man me ne bet tena social media no who say empress wo me din wo TikTok and wo me din wo YouTube wo be nye skenti and wo bet na ho no be defame like a dinner mabon ka for 21 years no o to me tena ase e no o card yo be ka me go be reason ti aman kasa o
matu kuru be kasa
oh mama kasa okay sorry me go me reason me ku o the way or handle us me since me we na me hear my say Sabanta, we are my dear Meba Cassan, Min Cassabi, Mammy da cemetery, middle back or maybe. Okay. So who said you obi family quite swap or yenny so I understand baby are okay say like boo I juma or building a brand. It is sometimes a boo as a boo ye be instead of a can you find a boo straight and Kofubia offer a funk of Fonosunibia na edidia terminal. About the son walk about me who saw emotional into
but the woman says
God good
mommy or the check me remember her
so forgiveness
oh empress muna moye munyan komani
I'm doing forgiveness he's my baby
mama you ran me true
oh
I'm sure now be you laugh
me person Ghana 40 assess asem na osofo kanu yen so there be the reason why they be make say matankuma na respecting the pan is because ube sure ni lewe in case you the court here catch lewe so be apologize so be jina social media I mean on someone fan channel say that is how you do it. The reason why I'm saying that is because Boo has built a solid brand over the years and it's not just about Boo no problem. It's not just about him. It's about the people that is around him. It's about the businesses that he will be affiliated to. Yesterday, all Kasa in the Kasa 2 hours. Me ko baby ko boni the comments be obi here. Why? Because it is because of some nonsense somebody has come to say.
Nonsense.
It is because of insem who will be ababeka. And in some now ababeka no so only any shred of evidence to prove it. Do you understand? When we asked you to apologize, it took years. They had to go through certain procedures before they got you to bring out the letter. Then you go and sit on another platform and you rubbish what he's saying. You made the video to do those accusations. I can tell you for a fact, say, apart from United Showbiz, I hear discussing issues. That letter no, they buy what to say video no yeah you know. Empress, what to say video now.
So yeah, we see I hear was see.
Oh, ARNOLD make Kasaba. Oh no, now see what forgive you, but I'm trying to say. Na me why MBB say me dey.
No, BB I need chance.
No, who to me can't say me.
No wa form no. Who to wa mature for ya mature.
To me can't. Enye maturity.
Who wa share ne
enye maturity. Who dey mature I no be pie wa for.
Enye na bu na kasa dabi.
Suffer anytime.
Kasa mo mama kasa. Listen. What it is that I have a firm belief that when people defame you as a person, who do you see their channel or no?
No, they are true, but they go through the process.
Of course.
And gentlemen,
and you've accepted the apology.
Yes.
What I'm saying is that moving forward, you know, we don't sit on social media and claim bad man, and accuse people and come and beg behind doors. And when you finish, we don't do that as people. What I'm trying to say is that we cannot live in a society and encourage such behaviors.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. Whether he's forgiving or not, whether he's content with what has happened in the court, that's up to him. But what I'm saying outside Bulldog, because I get Shatta ni Bulldog nkwana samu esi omuntem. Esi other people entem. Eti no mbebacha not mami esi other people entem. Eti the American say men tina ho mo timu po. And from the can someone for being because precedents bebree see in most cases at the end of the day it boils down to apology.
Yeah, but you see,
ARNOLD mami asem this one enko Emma Yanchi Obiaso Mani, Nina Qua, me or Penny Biabem, where I be Nani patro. What happens again? It becomes a vicious cycle.
Okay, wait. No situation now be defaming. What did you do? What action did they take?
What exactly are you talking about?
You use one as an example, say you defame me with pain.
Right.
Action, then I will take it.
I am taking actions. The fact that it's not known doesn't mean I have not planned or thought about it.
That day.
Oh, ARNOLD. It doesn't mean that I've not thought about it.
You can't conform yourself. And you'll be on a bit feel the air. So definitely, trumpets and bon quandie. You cannot say you will not get somebody defaming you.
You will.
Or saying something negative about you. But when you get to that corridor, we can't be defaming or action being I'll be taking.
Yeah. Obiane said you're not
exactly. And make I said the ideal route is the law court. Oh no, go through that process. And when you points be here, you see gentleman here, or apologize, not retract it. He's done that. Or say, okay, when you say point or there, and just pay my legal fees.
No, you are misconstruing what I'm saying.
I'm not.
I agree with that. I don't know what.
Say outside this, say anybody finds himself in that defamatory winner. On to the latter. Latter here now be call.
No, apart from
no, you go to court.
No. Over court in it. You see, when I started my submission, me can say, asema mbabe can the osofo kantino. Asema mbabe can. Do you remember I said that? Because he was like, Obibeye will say, and the notion is that we've had people sit on media and defend such behavior. Oh, sana asimesi diotie, sana wa building it. But maybe because yes, so san common. So now we do obi so them.
Okay, me the yakana. Ya address boo ne Shatta Wale apology no oka
now address any issue I can any issue
na generate so nkoma ayegi I don't know so say so for penny say Shatta Wale dey say no
so for against no also can there
no be
wait yes, I know.
I know a person says, me and so
no, but no, we need to be the same. The man has been like that for the past 15-20 years. It is not, it's a fact. It's what the bayer action episode taking. No, we take it. Because you have two options. Either you, like she's saying, or also But the point is, that is how he is.
Again.
No, the back and forth of when I mean, it is on the young one. You have options. You have options. It is a whole police on young shade now be jama. Why do you know? Just like Boo had options. He could have ignored because this is not the first time we did Boo attempt. We did attempt several times. But this particular Boo said, no, I will take the other option by going to court. And he did. And I see the solution to that court. Exactly. It's in the as he said, and yes, so sign not here. No, but you were being emotional about the whole situation.
I was not being emotional.
The point is that's how the gentleman is. It is on the young one.
No, that's not it. It's not your bet snazzy so
what will you do? Okay, so what will you do? Let's imagine. So based on what you have said, what will you do? What will you do?
You can be there now. Can you? Ejuma ya ye sabi o ubeka obi asem. Ebehano. Yeah. Obe tumi didi atem. Obe tumi aka obi wasem enu wo ho ba. Obe wa gym. Of course,
but they do it. So yeah, are you telling me? Say the best ebe jai here.
Say the ARNOLD can say. Was say eto a ede ba de na be. The highest you have betimi akwa me say obe it ends everything.
We are okay, yeah. Maybe they say, no, person cockles. Me bow. Me sure na me say ghost speech. It was a ghost, ni ghost. And what they say, hey, ghost. So on daily nutrition, the Bluetooth connection. Yes.
Simple. It's all options. You take the other option. Because our defamation, it won't stop today. You and I know. Once we sit here and talk about people's beliefs and stuff like that, they will do.
We cry come as upon say what they apology.
Oh yes, sir.
Me ba Are you new Shatta?
Oh yes sir, the new Shatta I know. Oh yes sir.
And I know I can. You be support to na mana reform. It's one reform ni that's all.
We go carry.
Ola
ya launch Black Star experience Prada
Black experience.
Oh na obi na
Black Star experience. Ola o ka ho na mo cho manifesto.
Na menga
o ka ho.
Na menga.
Ola o ka ho. Na nyame adom. E ko so fine. Set up. It's a lightning. Young Kasaye papa.
Say, oh, akwantum, oh, abrochire, na opese o sendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana. And I say opese o sendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Therefore, my main come for Lemfi amount. The entire make come for Lemfi amount nyina ne say. O pay money transfer. O more exchange rate ewo soro kese pa Lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros, amount 20 euros cashback. And now we UK. Now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemunso se wa America. Na opese o ship nyoma free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. O diane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra so no mu gina waboboa no omba be box nyoma ne kama. Na omu dia call Ghana asumdwe mama o. Omo so eni gisem ba ko account ne say o fro ma ka krom say enam TheBonahShow so na o te omunka. Omo so mprempren na ombecha 10% discount. Nia chat woni se okọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia dam asomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia dam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say de sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pikash Properties and I say call www.pikashproperties.com.